Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, what you're actually looking at is the beach yesterday. We had Coastal One up, and we're going to talk about what the beaches look like since Burl. We did extensive coverage on Burl down here, letting you know what was going on. But now we want to let you know what the beach looks like. In fact, this is the other day. This is actually May 13th, I guess. And then here's actually July 14th, which it's not an above ground shot, but it was one we drove around. But you can see how good um, the beach looks. And so, like I said, this one that you're looking at now is actually from yesterday. We had Coastal One up, and the Houston Diesels had their event going on at the washout. In fact, we did a flyover and showcased the layout and the stage they had. But summer's winding down. It's July 21st, and Team Bolivar invites you down. Look at that. You can see the sandbar there at the bottom. Uh, the first sandbar there at the bottom. Actually, I think Burl added some beach to us this year. The dunes washed away, and you can see that towards the top of the photo. But one thing we've had is beautiful weather. And yes, we've had some rain showers around. And actually, this week we're going to have some rain showers around. But overall, it's beautiful down here. And so, Team Bolivar, myself, invites you down. In fact, real quick, we're going to talk real quick about an event this weekend. Saturday, July 27th, is the third annual David and Bolivar Live birthday party. This year it's my 61st birthday this Saturday, and every year for the last 3 years now, actually the last 2 years, for the fundraiser, but third year of the party. Instead of doing anything, a lot of people over the last couple weeks now since Burl says, David, what can we do to help you? And I said, hold on, I've got something coming up. So I'm asking everyone that, as much as possible, to donate $61 to the Lighthouse. And this goes straight to them. It can be $5, it can be $2, it can be $10, it can be $25. It doesn't matter to me, or it does matter to me, but whatever you feel comfortable donating. You can donate $610. It doesn't matter. Just help me raise money. This is what I did. Last year we raised, I believe, about $3,500 or $3,600. I want to beat that this year. And we'll keep you posted on what's happening. I've already made my $61 donation a couple days ago when I was putting this all together. But this is, in fact, I'm going to stop right now so you can see. This was the Houston Diesels fundraiser yesterday on the beachfront. And so I want to thank them for choosing Bolivar Peninsula and everything they do, raising money every year down here this weekend. There you can see they had a great event. I was down there early. I didn't go down there later on. But anyway, back to this weekend. It's at Stingery Restaurant. We've got Michael Farrell opening. He opened last year and does an awesome job. Local talent here from 6:30 to 8 p.m. And then Gunnar Latham's taking the stage from 8 to 10 p.m. this year. We've got a giant birthday cake coming in from our local favorite baker, Donna. She made it last year. It's at Down Under. Michael's going to kick it off at 6:30, and then probably about 7:40, 7:45, I'll get up and do my spill on why you need to donate and help me donate, and then we'll kick it off with Gunnar Latham at 8 o'clock, and he'll play till 10 o'clock. Hopefully, I can make it till 10 o'clock. Last year is about 9:30, and I had to bail out because my mornings start early. But anyway, it's this Saturday. I'm asking as many people as possible come down, help me celebrate my 61st birthday. I've been blessed down here on Bolivar and met a lot of awesome people, talked to a lot of awesome people, and this is a way to meet up, say hi, shake hands, give hugs, and raise some money for the Point Bolivar Lighthouse. I did a show actually, and if you'll go back on Monday the 8th, when uh, Burl was coming in, I did my first show at 1:45 in the morning from the ferry landing, talking about it being shut down. But as I was leaving, I went by and shot the lighthouse and talked a little bit about what it's done in the past on past storms. But I was talking to Amy the other day when I was over in Galveston, and I showed her, and it was lit up, and we had storm clouds around. It was dark, and it was just beautiful the way it was lit up. Now they've got to do some repairs on it because of the winds. But anyway, you can see it lit up on July 8th as Burl was approaching the Texas coast down south. And so you can always go by and take a picture. But anyway, last year we raised, I believe, around 3,600, if I'm not mistaken. And this year I'd like to raise a little bit more to beat that. And so there's a link in the write up. You can click on it, or you can scan the code. I'll have something up there that night that you can scan with your phone and go straight to the donate. And this money doesn't pass through me. It goes straight to the Bolivar Point Lighthouse Foundation to help raise money to get the top replaced. We've done a bunch of shows with Amy, and it's about time for another one, I think, on it. But anyway, that's happening this Saturday, coming up the 27th at Stingery Restaurant. It kicks off at 6:30. I'm asking you to come down, help me celebrate my 61st birthday, and let's raise some money, enjoy some cold drinks on the dock of the bay. This is actually going to be in Down Under, not on the dock. And so I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a great time, and looking forward to seeing everyone and raise some money. So anyway, that's my birthday wish, to help me raise funds for the lighthouse. So anyway, but this is what it looked like yesterday. It's beautiful down here. Ever since we've had the storm, it's been beautiful down here. And so come on down, wind down your summer before school starts or deer season starts, and enjoy some of our 27 miles of beachfront paradise here on the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula. You know, we lost some of the dunes, and we're fixing to do a show actually tomorrow morning. We're going to do a show on how you can rebuild your dunes, the steps you have to take. We've been talking to the county. We're going to wait until the commissioner's court is done tomorrow and see what their ruling is on one other line item on it. But we're going to have a show tomorrow morning around 11, between 11 and 12, letting you know exactly, showing you the steps on having your dunes rebuilt and what you have to do to get the process started. They've got an emergency deal going on where you can get them rebuilt. In fact, I was talking to Stuart the other day, and he said he's already got a list of people that are doing their permitting now so he can get started. But anyway, just wanted to say hi to everyone this morning. Remember, this weekend, Saturday, July 27th, it's my 61st birthday party at Stingery Restaurant. Want to thank Brad and the crew up there. It's always an awesome time. Michael Farrell kick it off at 6:30. Gunnar Latham at 8 o'clock. It's going to be great. We've got a big birthday cake and some cupcakes coming from Donna, and we're going to have a good time. Come on up, enjoy a fresh seafood dinner, and then enjoy some time down under. Can't wait to meet everyone and see everyone. Last year it was a great turnout. We raised some great money for the Lighthouse Foundation, and this year I want to do it again. So anyway, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Look at that beach. Come down and enjoy our 27 miles. This was actually yesterday morning on the beachfront, or yesterday on the beachfront, probably about 2 o'clock. So we're going to head on out. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula. And remember, you can see it live anytime through our 11 live webcams at BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com. God bless, and bye-bye.